In 1991, we were living on a road here in town called Beaumont Drive and started the business in our dining room. Within the first year, we bought our first machine and started making the product in-house. And in those days, I think we were a company of 5 people, 6 people.
A key point in our growth was in 1996 when we got our first item into Walmart, which really added volume to the business, added jobs here in Kennesaw. When you get into Walmart and people see you on the Walmart shelf, all of a sudden you've got credibility out there and people come looking for the product. Made in the USA is so important to us. We went one step further and became certified Made in the USA, which means that not only do we assemble the products here and mix the chemicals here in the United States, but all of the products that we use to make our product are also made in the United States. So when Walmart announced their initiative to start carrying more and more US-made products in their stores, it was very exciting for us because we knew that we're a valued partner to Walmart and that we could help them achieve their goal of adding more products that are made here in the United States. Going to the US manufacturing event is amazing because you see all these other manufacturers, big and small, out there. We're very excited to be able to talk to Walmart and have a chance to get their product placed in the store, and then even to have certain products selected right there on site as a new item in stores is really inspiring. On top of being able to say that we're US made, the pride of being able to go into a Walmart and see the product that we developed and made and distributed from right here in Kennesaw, Georgia, showing up in every Walmart in the country is a moment that's full of pride.